Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So this week's PPF pro tip that I'm going to go over, what are the solutions needed for doing a paint protection film installation. So there's 3 solutions you're going to need. You're going to need your slip solution, your tack solution, and you're going to need your isopropyl alcohol for cleaning the panels. So first off, I got isopropyl alcohol here. You want to go 90% or stronger. You can get this at any hardware store, any pharmacy. You could go 70% or more. I've seen people do it. Myself personally, I like to go at minimum 90% strength. Tack solution. There's 2 ways you can mix your tack solution. You can mix it with isopropyl alcohol and water. That's what I've done for a number of years. I would usually go about 30%, roughly about that much of the bottle. About 30% with isopropyl alcohol, and then the rest would be distilled water. But what I've started to do recently, and I've posted a video on this and I'll link that in the description, is I just start to go with warm water right out of the filter. So I got a water filtration system here in my shop and I just go warm water. And that warm water has helped me to do much better quality installations, and it's much cheaper. You'll still need to buy the isopropyl alcohol for when you're doing your panel prep, but when you're actually doing your installation, you don't actually need isopropyl alcohol in your tack solution. You can, it's not gonna hurt anything, but you don't need it. So that'll save you a little bit of money. Last but not least, slip solution. So how to mix your slip solution? I got this 32-ounce bottle over here. I got it filled up right up till just past this ring over here with distilled water. I like to mix it with Johnson Johnson Baby Shampoo, and I put 2 pumps in there. And then just shake it up. It does create a bit of a mess doing that, but nonetheless, that is how I mix my slip solution. So that is a comment that I see an awful lot in the comments section down below, is how do you mix your slip and tack solutions. So hope this video cleared up some of those questions. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more PPF content.